In this video, I'll be going over my Amazon KDP income report for May 2024. So let's get started with my ads. I actually did not run any ads with Amazon KDP. I didn't do my own ad campaign either. So these are all going to be organic sales. And I'm just showing my ads dashboard here. I haven't run ads since it looks like August 2023. And that's just simply because, due of lack of time and extra finances, the campaigns I was running during August 2023 and around this time actually were doing pretty well. Pretty well in my opinion. My ATOS was around, I think, 14% or something like that. I can just scroll down and look really quickly. 10.92% and 14.93%. It's really just due to lack of time and money to be able to devote what I need to in order to run ads. So moving over to my orders, I sold a total of 104 books. That's how many shipped out, because the royalties don't show up until the book actually ships out. And overall, I'm pretty content about this. I'm a little bit discouraged simply because I have been making and selling more than this. And I did have one day where I didn't make a sale, where that hasn't happened in a while, unless it's been like a holiday or something like that. So that is a bit discouraging. But again, these are all organic sales. I'm not running ads, so I can't really expect too much if I'm not marketing at all. And also, summer is starting, so people are probably doing a lot more outdoor things rather than my main sellers are scrapbook craft paper pads. So a lot of people are probably doing other activities during this time of year, and that's totally fine. So my highest orders day is May 9th and May 30th, where I sold seven, or where seven shipped out. So I got the royalties for those. Had a bunch of days with one, and then it just really was sporadic. My lowest day was zero, obviously, on May 8th. But that's okay. I have a total of 270 books. I haven't created a new book since I think a month or two ago, but from then it's been a while. So I really haven't been updating or adding new books, which is also could be a reason why this is sort of kind of kind of dropping a bit. There we go. I really should start creating some more. That way I have more books out there. It's just, I'm working on it. Hard to juggle everything. So, anyways, before I move on to my actual royalties, I do want to mention my top 10 books. So, my top 10 here sold 89, and all of them are scrapbook paper, craft paper pad, and majority of my books sold are scrapbook paper, craft paper pad. I don't remember every single book that sold for May right now, but I do know I think I sold a coupon book as well, and I'm not sure, I may have sold some other books, but majority are all scrapbook paper, craft paper pad. And I just want to point out before I move over to my royalties that I do have a brand new course I'm launching. So I'll have my stand store linked in the description below, but right here it's a scrapbook craft paper pad success guide. So I've made over $6,500 in this niche, and I have the screenshot here. So I selected only my scrapbook craft paper pad book, so 91. Not all of them are good, not all of them have sold. I have many that I started in the beginning that have not sold. The one that I created about a month or two ago has not sold yet, and sometimes that just happens. But then I also have some that have made me hundreds and hundreds of dollars. So it really depends, and this is why it's usually recommended to have more books, because I think it's 10 or 20% of your books are said to actually sell. So if you have like 100 books or something like that, you have more opportunity for sales. So this is since I started KDP in December 24th, 2021. However, I didn't actually start creating craft paper pad until maybe January or February, but I didn't really understand what I was doing until June or July. So that's why you see this uptick here. So majority of the sales are all from June or July 2022 up until, looks like somewhere in the middle of May, or May 26, 2024 is when I posted this. But if you're curious about this niche or want to learn how to do this, then I highly recommend checking out my course. It's going to be filled with so much information, like intro to KDP, niche research, keyword research, how to do interiors, covers, over the shoulder. It's going to be hours of content. So I definitely recommend looking into this, obviously, since it's a course that I'm creating. But right now it's available for pre-order. So if you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. It's priced at $49.99 right now, and then after pre-order, it'll go up to $97. I want to make this more affordable because a lot of courses out there are pretty expensive, and I'm going to move into another course in a minute in case you don't want to get into this niche, or you just want to get started with KDP but don't know where to start and you're looking to do low content. But I'm really hoping this course can help because I spent so much time, so many hours. I've bought multiple courses to learn all this information. And so I'm going to put all of this into this one course specifically for this niche. And I hope that it's really helpful because this extra few $100s a month has been super, super helpful. And my highest so far is I think $558 a month or something like that is my current highest royalties month. Obviously, I'm hoping to beat that. But if you're looking for just to start low content or you just want to start in general, Rachel Harrison's Son's course is absolutely incredible. I am currently an affiliate for it, so I do make a commission at no additional cost to you. But I honestly love this course even before I was an affiliate. This course definitely has been super helpful to me, and there's so much content. So I highly recommend checking this out. It is going to be more than my course, but this is completely different. This goes over like all low content publishing, and she has a lot of experience. So her course is currently $279, but if you're looking to invest, I highly recommend looking into this course as well. So moving over to my royalties, $245.32. Again, not going to complain about it. This still pays for at least my car payment. I've done nothing with this, so this is all organic sales. I'm not going to be too mad about that. And my highest royalties day, it looks like the ninth around, I think it was 1750 or something like that. And again, my top 10 made up 211 and 25 cents, so majority of my sales. They're all scrapbook paper, craft paper, pad books. I have been making over $300 a month, so again, this is a little bit discouraging. See, I'll do my current lifetime as of right now and I'm making this video. So over $7,000, and this is for all my books, so not just craft paper, scrap paper pad. But if you look at this, if 6,500 ish is all those books, and then that's what I have total. So really, that scrapbook paper and craft paper pad niche is making up majority of my sales. But just looking here, how I'm kind of trending a little bit downwards now. It's going like up and down, but again, it's summertime or spring, summertime, depending what the weather is like where you are, I guess. And people are probably doing more outdoor activities, so that's totally fine. But overall, I'm pretty happy with this month, and it's okay that I didn't make over $300 because again, this is all passive income, and I'm just super grateful and thankful for any of that. So if you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. If you want to let me know how it's going for you with your KDP journey, I definitely would love to hear that. I love whenever you guys comment and share how it's going for you. It makes me so happy to see that you're succeeding as well. And if I can help at all or be inspiring or anything like that, that is a huge goal of mine. And I post these videos to hopefully inspire, hopefully help. That's why I'm creating the course. And then also, I just love documenting my own journey. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and listening to this video. I hope that you have a great